How do you feel about the foam, man? Good enough?
Yeah, I like it.
And you think it's okay? So it's okay.
I mean, it's not going to feel good when she falls, but it's a lot better than a hardwood floor. I think it's a lot safer. You need a tissue really bad, little girl. Really bad.
Get away, girl. You know the limits. You know the limits. Ready?
Okay, then come here. Your little ball wants to play with you. Whoa!
There you go. Here's your little friend. Yeah, good job. You want what's off the bat. Go that way. Boundaries, girl, boundaries. We're learning them. Yeah, we're learning boundaries. Physical, mental.
Ooh, close up. Hi! He's a cute girl. Hello, monkey. Okay, thank you. Going for the tree.
Just follow me.